Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie. In today's video, we have an Hermes Double unboxing. I went to my boutique last Thursday and I picked up a couple items. These were items that you would have seen from my last Hermes video where I did my updated wish list for 2022. So I'm very excited to show what I picked up. So let's get right into it. This small box, and both items they just happen to have in the store because the inventory over in Chicago hasn't been great, and I think it was just pure luck that I was there. And here we go. We have the Kelvy. This is so pretty. It's in my favorite color, gold. I couldn't believe they had this one, and there you go. You can see that. It's in this beautiful gold. I love it. They literally said that they just received some inventory in the morning, so perfect timing. Love this piece. I love how understated, and it looks pretty durable. Can't wait to use this, especially in a lot of my mini bags. So here we have my Bottega pouch, and I think this Kelvy is the perfect size to fit in my mini bags. Here we go. I think it just fits perfect. My next item here is in this box, and you probably know it's a pair of shoes. This I've been wanting for a very long time, and the last time I asked for them, they just didn't have it in the store. So, here we go. Here we go. And this is also in the beautiful gold color, the Oasis sandal. I can't believe I finally have these in my collection. You guys know I have the Orans. I've had the Orans for many, many years, and this has been on my big wish list item to get these Oasis. I cannot believe I have them finally. I did pick them up in a size 38, and in the Orans I'm also 38, and that was something that I just wasn't sure. Times I was tempted to even purchase it online, but I knew it would just be best if I could build the profile and also try them on. And I did try the 37.5 because I thought that with the heel height that my foot might slide forward if they were too big, but what was interesting is 38 looked perfect. So I'm excited. This is a good chunky heel that's not too high, and I'll be able to get a little bit more wear even though we are winding down for summer, but this is my signature color. And let me know if you guys would be interested at some point for me to do a comparison with my Orans and Oasis. Can't believe it, I have these in my collection. Now they did have the mini Kelly in the store, but it had the palladium hardware, and at that point they told me just hold off, they'll get another rose gold. I prefer to have rose gold or gold for that bracelet. So that was the other item that was very tempted to purchase, but I decided to hold off. And then I do have another item that is being shipped to me because they didn't have it in there, but it's that Apple Watch band. It's in the gold color. It's for my Apple Watch Series 7. Now I did pick up an Hermes beauty item. I get so tempted every time I'm in the boutique to pick up one of their lipsticks, and this one is, I think, a perfect color. This is that lip enhancer. You can tell with the bottom, it's that rose tan color. As you can see here. Here's my latest shade. It's called Rose Tan. See here. I love that detailing with Hermes. And then the gold top. I'm just gonna do a quick little swatch. It's a very nice pink shade. I think it looks good for every day. I actually have a pretty good collection of lipsticks from Hermes that I've been collecting over the last couple months. Let me know if you guys would be interested in a video. I don't really cover a lot of beauty on my channel, but these lipsticks, I'm pretty obsessed with them. So certainly would do a video on them and show you the different shade ranges I have. Okay guys, well that is it for my latest unboxings. Let me know, did you have a favorite? Do you like these items? Love to hear your thoughts. And I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.